Welcome to Sudoku and Sudoku Variants Solving. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Today we're solving a 6x6 expert Sudoku. This Sudoku is appropriate for those who are new to solving Sudokus or have developmental delay disorder. The rules say we need to put the numbers 1 through 6 in every column, row, and region without repeating any number. When looking at a 6x6 Sudoku, I will see what row, column, or region only has one empty space, just in case I count the upper region 1, where we see the 2, 5, 1, and 6, and see there is 2 empty spaces. The upper region 2 has 3 empty spaces. The upper region 3 has 3 empty spaces. The lower region 1 has 3 The lower region 2 has 3. The lower region 3 has 2 empty spaces. I will make a quick look at the rows. Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, and row 6. Now I'll look at the columns. Row 1. Aha! I see 1 empty space. Because all the other numbers are given, I know that only one number can go here, and that it is harder for me to get it wrong. I have put a number that already existed next to that existing number. For example, we see a 6. When I'm not thinking, I have been known to, in this example, put a 6 next to the 6. That is not allowed in Sudoku rules, So we will remove the 6. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. So we know we need to put in the 4. Well, I will make a quick check of row 6 to see if it only has one missing space, one empty space. It does not. I will then make a quick check of the columns to see if there is any other spots with only one empty space. Again, the answer is no. If I could type, this might work. I am going to look at row 3 because it only has 2 empty squares. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing, and 6 is seen. I am going to look at that 4. Can I put that 4 in this first spot? Yes. But before I do, I must look at the last spot in column 6. Can I put the 4 here? No. So I put the 4 in column 4, row 3. What number goes in column 6 then? Think. Count. Did you see it? Yes, it is the number 5. I put in the 5 and then move on. Let's look at the upper left region 1. Let's count. 1, 2, 3 is missing. I will now look at the top, look at the row 1. Do I see a 3 here? Yes. I know a 3 cannot go in this row. Because there is only 2 empty squares, I know the 3 must go in the other empty square. However, because I've made silly errors in the past, I always make sure no 3 is in this row as well. I see no 3, I put the 3 in. I will now count from 3. 4. I do not see the 4, so I put that in. I also check to be sure that row 1 does not contain another 4. It does not, but I do notice it only has one empty space. I count. 1. No 1 exists, so I put this in. And because column 6 only has a 4 and a 5, I know that I can safely put a 1 here. I look at upper region 3 and see that only 1 empty space exists. I count. 1, 2 is missing. I know that I need to put in the 2. I have often then recounted all the squares, going from number to number, just to be sure that I didn't miss anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Done. Now I can either look at row 2 or column 6. I think I'll look at row 2. I count. 1, missing. Okay, let's see where the 1 might go. I will look at column 3 and I see a 1. I will look at column 4 and I see no 1. I will put a 1 here. Can you tell me what number is missing in this region? Think. Count. Did you say 6? Good. Let's put in the 6. Let's look at column 4. I see only 1 empty space. Can you tell me what number goes there? Think. Count. Did you say the number 3? You are correct. I will double check row 6 and region and lower region 2 just to be sure. Nope, no 3. So I can put the 3 in and do so. Let's look at row 4. Count. 1, 2 is missing. Think. Where can the 2 go? Can it go in column 2? Can it go in column 3? Can it go in lower region 2? Yeah, we know that it can only go in lower region 1, row 4. Notice that all the 2's are in. I see all the 1's are in also. But let's look at what number is missing in lower region 1. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Let's look at row 6. Do you see a 5 there? Nope. Good. Let's put in the 5. I will now look at row 6. What number is missing here? Think. Count. Did you say 6? Good. Let's put the 6 in. Notice that lower region 2 has 2 empty squares. Notice that row 5 has 2 empty squares. Notice that column 6 only has 1 empty square. I will now look at column 6. What number is missing? Think. Count. Did you say 3? Good. We can put a 3 here. Now, row 5 only has 1 empty space. Do you know what number goes here? Think. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. I will look at column 3 and do cross-hatching just to be sure there is not a 4 that I missed. No 4, so I put the 4 here in row 5. We only have 1 number left to put in. Do you know what number that is? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. We can put the 5 in here. You have now solved your first 6x6 Sudoku. This was an easy level Sudoku. You did a very good job. Thank you for solving this Sudoku with me. Let's notice something though. We have every row every column and every region with the numbers 1 through 6 with no repeats. Thank you. The next Sudoku we will do will be the 9x9 easy level Sudoku, and then I will do a medium 6x6 Sudoku. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.